Imagine stepping into a world where the digital and physical blend seamlessly. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Snapchat is making it real with their latest AR spectacles. These high-tech glasses are getting some exciting updates that are changing the game for augmented reality. Today, we'll explore how these updates are shaping the future of AR and what they mean for how we interact with technology and each other. Let's dive in. First up, Snapchat has enhanced the AR experience on their spectacles. The new updates make AR more immersive and interactive than ever before. With better visuals and smoother interactions, the line between the real world and the digital world is blurring. Imagine walking down the street and seeing virtual art pop up on buildings or playing AR games with friends in real time. These improvements make AR feel more real and engaging, bringing a whole new level of excitement to everyday life. Next, let's talk about the new AR effects and lenses. Snapchat has added a bunch of fresh effects that work seamlessly with the spectacles. From face filters to interactive environments, these effects let you create content that's not just fun but also futuristic. Whether you're transforming your surroundings or adding virtual elements to your videos, these tools make it easy to create shareable, eye-catching content. It's like having a mini movie studio right on your face. Now, let's get into the tech behind the magic. Snapchat has upgraded the display technology in the spectacles, offering brighter and clearer visuals. This means AR content looks more vivid and realistic. But that's not all. They've also improved the tracking and mapping features. Virtual objects now align more accurately with the real world, so they don't just float awkwardly. Instead, they interact with your surroundings like they're really there. This makes the AR experience feel more natural and immersive. Snapchat isn't just focusing on users, they're also empowering developers. The new tools for developers allow them to create custom AR experiences for the spectacles. This opens up a world of possibilities, from AR games and educational tools to virtual shopping experiences. By giving developers the tools to innovate, Snapchat is ensuring that the spectacles will have a wide range of creative and practical uses. It's a win-win for everyone. One of the most exciting aspects of these updates is the focus on social interaction. Snapchat is using AR to bring people closer together. With features that allow real-time sharing of AR experiences, you and your friends can explore the same virtual world, no matter where you are. It's a new way to connect and have fun, making AR not just a solo experience but a shared one. This aligns perfectly with Snapchat's mission to foster social connections through technology. So, what's the bigger picture here? Snapchat's updates to the AR spectacles are more than just cool new features, they're part of a larger vision. Snapchat wants to lead the AR industry and make augmented reality a part of everyday life. These updates push the boundaries of what AR can do, showing us a glimpse of a future where digital and physical realities merge seamlessly. It's not just about gadgets, it's about changing how we interact with the world around us. To wrap it up, Snapchat's AR spectacles are getting some incredible updates. Better AR experiences, new effects, improved tech, and a focus on social interaction. These changes are setting the stage for a future where augmented reality is everywhere. But what do you think? Are Snapchat's AR spectacles the first step toward a world where digital and physical realities merge? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.